Hey guys, in today's video, I want to talk about the iPhone 16 camera controls. Now, this iPhone 16 was first launched in September of 2024 with this new camera control button. And this little button right here just got a lot better. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys why I now believe the camera controls on the iPhone 16 is a game changer feature and how Apple just made it a lot better. And now I use it basically every single day just because of some software enhancements that I think make the camera controls on the iPhone 16 a game changer feature. Now, I have to be honest, when I first bought the iPhone 16 Pro Max that you see here, and I saw the camera controls, I thought it was a neat new capability. Obviously, you have the shutter here with all of your controls, and you can just go ahead and change things from the camera, from the filters here for styles. You see here you have different styles that you can choose from. You also have the capability to choose different tones, and of course, you have the depth option, and we have the exposure option, which you can adjust on the fly with the camera controls and just like so. But the game changer feature that I believe Apple recently added makes the camera control on iPhone 16 a really useful new feature on the iPhone. Now, to be honest, as I mentioned, when I first got the iPhone 16, I hardly ever used camera controls. The main purpose I would use camera controls on the iPhone 16 when I first got this device was if I only had one hand available, right? So if I had, let's say, a drink or something on my hand, and on the other hand, I wanted to just grab my phone and quickly snap a photo, just press on the camera control, press again, and capture a photo, or long press to capture a quick video, and then put the phone back in my pocket. That was the main reason I would use camera controls initially when the iPhone 16 first launched, because although I do have the controls right here on the camera control menu, I found that using the on-screen controls was a lot better in my opinion and a lot faster in my opinion than using the built-in camera controls. But as I mentioned, Apple has just made this button a lot better. It got a lot better with software, and I wanted to share those experiences with you guys in today's video. Now, one of the most expensive components to repair on an iPhone 16 is the camera control button. If you ever break it, it can cost you more than $700 to fix. Now, personally, I use ESR's classic hybrid case with camera control protection and a built-in stash stand as one of the few brands to provide the camera control protection feature. This case offers a cutting-edge three-layer structure that really tightly integrates with an innovative construction method that eliminates gaps and a tempered glass that's built to handle up to 30 kilograms of direct pressure. There will be no cracks, no shattering, and no $700 bill. Now, this cover offers lightning fast, responsive, and smooth operations as you would expect, and advanced fingerprint coating that helps keep every interaction seamless and clean. And with its built-in stash stand, you can prop your iPhone up in multiple angles to watch videos on the go, making it the perfect case for the iPhone 16 lineup. Now, ESR also offers the classic hybrid case with camera control protection with the same protection and smooth operations for the camera control button on your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. So make sure to check out ESR's award-winning classic hybrid case with camera control protection and a built-in stash stand for your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. Of course, all the links will be available for you guys in the description and down below. Now, with the release of iOS 18.3, Apple added visual intelligence to the iPhone lineup. And visual intelligence is a new Apple Intelligent feature that allows you to long press on the camera controls, and now you're in a brand new Apple Intelligent menu that allows you to take pictures of something and identify them. So for example, I have AirPods here. I can take a picture of the AirPods just like so. It will ask me if I want to search or ask any questions in regards to what I just took a picture of. This is visual intelligence, one of my top 3 favorite new Apple Intelligent features, which is now possible through the camera control long press. So you long press the camera control, and then that new menu for Apple Intelligence, Visual Intelligence, pops up, and you can identify things, not only AirPods, obviously, you can take a picture of animals, perhaps a dog breed. You can also point it at a restaurant to get information in regards to a restaurant menu or the phone number, location, and things of that nature. So one of my favorite new features about the new camera controls is Apple Intelligence, Visual Intelligence long press for camera controls to use this really new awesome capability built into the iPhone 16. Now, although visual intelligence is a great new capability added to the camera controls, this next new option and feature added to the camera controls, in my opinion, is the game changer feature, especially if you're a content creator. So check this out. When you press on the camera controls, obviously this will launch the stock camera application on your iPhone. And now, if you're running the latest iOS 18 updates and you go to settings, head on over into your camera settings, go under the camera control options and select a camera, you now have the ability to choose any third-party application. So if you're always taking pictures with a Snapchat, you can select Snapchat, for example, and now if I press on the camera controls, this launches the Snapchat application, as you can see right there, very quickly, and you can go ahead and start using the Snapchat camera app. You also have different third-party applications, and you also have Instagram. Again, content creators, if you set this to Instagram, now if you press on the camera controls, boom, you're in Instagram. You can take a picture with the Instagram Photos application or the video option, and you're right there in the moment, and you can capture content. And I think this is one of the game changer features, as Apple has recently added. You see here the ability to choose any third-party camera application to be used with camera controls under the camera settings for iPhone 16. And this button just continues to get better over time. I have to say, even the way it operates now is a lot smoother, adding that visual intelligence with the iPhone 16 Apple Intelligence new capability. I think this button just got a lot better, and if you didn't know about these options, let me know in those comments down below. Will you be using these features on your new iPhone 16? Again, camera controls, definitely something that I now use every single day, thanks to enhancements with software. And there you guys have it. This about brings it into this video. I just wanted to share these new capabilities from the new camera controls on the iPhone 16. I think these will change your mind in regards to this new button on the iPhone 16 lineup. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.